Visit us at itech.org.
Hi, my name is Lindsay. I'm going to teach you how to change, add, or remove random access memory from your computer. It's also known as RAM, and the more RAM you have in your computer, the smoother it'll run. RAM is the amount of space that your computer has to run programs. This tutorial will show you how to change, add, or remove RAM from your computer.
This is how to change and or remove RAM. Press these clips on the side. There's also a pair on this side. And they pop right out. And to put them back in, you push them in and the clips clip right back into the side slots. And that's how to add and or change RAM.